Alors bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue à Nouveau Monde. Aujourd'hui on fait la section du canyon et en spécial seulement aujourd'hui probablement les 7 sœurs. Alors le canyon, ça va être une bonne pratique pour ensuite le gros jus dans les 7 sœurs. Alors on a le gros soleil, on a des gens, je pense qu'ils sont prêts. Alors tout le monde, vous allez passer une excellente journée et encore une fois, merci d'avoir choisi Nouveau Monde!
Donc le casque, on doit passer 2 doigts en dessous du menton. Vous voyez, c'est un petit peu trop serré, ça se peut qu'il arrête de respirer. Donc on passe 2 doigts seulement, pas plus, pas moins. 2 doigts, c'est bon? Si les 2 doigts ils passent, c'est pas grave.
Ah yes! Well looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing, cause at the end of the night it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run, run, run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone, cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. Ah yeah. Well let me think, what should I do? So many eager young bunnies that I'd like to pursue. Now even though they're eating out the palm of my hand, there's only one carrot and they all gotta share it. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone, cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. See, I ain't tryna hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. Yo, see, I ain't tryna hurt